Every pattern in our nature is a lesson in balance, growth, and harmony. Nature follows the beautiful patterns, the cycle of rain, the growth of plants, the changing of season, and the flow of rivers. Happy morning, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear students. We are the students of grade 5C are here to explore the theme of the week, patterns in nature. Today we will discover how mathematics is hidden in the beauty of the natural world. Have you ever noticed this? The spirals of flower, the matching of a butterfly, and the hexagonal shape in a honeycomb? These are all examples of patterns in nature.
A pattern is a design or incident that repeats in a regular way. Nature is filled with amazing patterns that had plants, animals grow, survive, and function efficiently. Let us now listen to a short conversation that shows how patterns appear in plants, animals, and even the sky above us.
Have you ever noticed that nature is full of beautiful different shapes? The stripes of a zebra, the petals of a flower, and even the shape of a snowflake form special patterns. But what exactly is a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats in a predictable way. Patterns can be found everywhere in nature. Let us look at some examples from nature. Of course, look at the butterfly. Its wings are symmetrical, which means both the sides looks almost the same. Flowers also show patterns beautifully. Many flowers have petals arranged in a circular pattern. Some flowers even have spirals that follows mathematical rules. Spirals appear in many surprising places. Yes, spirals can be seen in snake shells, pine cones, and even some galaxies in space. Why are patterns important in nature? I've seen honeycombs. Are they patterns too? Absolutely. Honeybees build in honeycombs using hexagon. This shape helps them to store maximum amount of honey using least amount of rats. Animals also use patterns in interesting ways. Animals also have patterns. Zebras have stripes, leopards have spots, and scales have arranging in designs. Why are patterns important in nature? Patterns help living things survive. They can provide protection, camouflage, and efficient growth. So mathematics is not just in our textbooks, it is all around us. Exactly. Mathematics is all around us. Flowers, trees, animals, shells, and many other wonders of nature. What message can we take from these patterns today? Nature is full of beautiful patterns, and these patterns help us understand the connection between mathematics, creation, and the